Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit the shape of the notes in the brainstorm whiteboard on the Canva application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Open a brainstorm whiteboard and select a note, and tap to the shape button next to the templates option at the upper left corner of the screen, and here you can find the different shapes format, and just select one and step on it and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.